Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to find measurement ID in Google Analytics. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Finding your measurement ID in Google Analytics 4 or GA4 is quite simple. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First of all, log into your Google Analytics. Access your Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com. Navigate to Admin Settings. Click on the Admin gear icon located in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Access Data Streams. Under the Property column, find and click on Data Streams within the Data Collection and Modification section. Select the Web tab. Choose the Web tab to view your web data streams. Choose your web data stream. Click on the web data stream you want to find the measurement ID for. Locate the measurement ID. The measurement ID will be in the first row of the stream details. It usually starts with G followed by a combination of numbers and letters. This ID is essential for connecting your website to Google Analytics and ensuring accurate data tracking. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.